How to log into KLM Flying Blue account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser and then type in KLM Flying Blue login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option. Welcome to KLM Flying Blue. Open it. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now, at the top right corner, you're gonna see the option of login. Go ahead and click on that option. With that, you'll be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide your credentials. First up, go ahead and type in your email or Flying Blue number. In the case you have any issues logging into your account, you can go ahead and click on the option of need help. With that, your problem will be resolved. After you fill this, click on continue, and in the next page, you'll need to type in the PIN code and click on done. Just for that, you'll be logged into your account. In the case you don't want to use the PIN to log in, you can click on the option of login with your password instead. Then in the next page, you'll need to type in your password and click on done. With that, you'll be logged into your account. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option of sign up now and go through the registration process. So this way you can easily log into KLM Flying Blue account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.